All U of M Canvas courses now come with the option to quickly and easily set up a custom AI chat tool for your course using Maizey. Your students can use this chat tool to ask questions about a variety of course content. And the best part is, it only takes a few minutes to set up in your Canvas course. This video provides a quick demonstration of the process, but you can refer to the step-by-step instructions linked in the video description for detailed guidance. Once your Canvas course has been set up, your first step is to enable the Maizey tool. Click Settings in your course navigation menu, then click the Navigation tab. Scroll down to the Maizey tool and click Enable. This will be the navigation link your students use to access the chat tool, so you may wish to drag it to a different spot in the menu. Once you're finished, click Save. Next, click the Maizey tool in your course navigation. Maizey will automatically open in a new tab, create your AI chat tool, and begin indexing your course data. Then, click the Published option and publish your chat tool to make it available in your course. You can then return to your Canvas course, open the chat tool by clicking the Maizey link again, and test it out to make sure it responds to questions about your course as desired. If you wish to make changes to your Maizey project settings, you can click the three dots and select Visit Maizey Project Settings to open the Project Details page. The ITS AI Services website, which is linked in the video description, provides detailed instructions for editing your Maizey project settings. Once created, your Maizey chat tool is automatically scheduled to re-index or refresh on a weekly basis, so it stays up to date with changes you make to your Canvas course. You can also link additional data sources to your Maizey chat tool from public websites, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Once they have access to your Canvas course, your students can click the Maizey link to access the chat tool, which opens in the sidebar alongside the course content. Maizey provides a powerful way to leverage the amazing potential of generative AI in your Canvas courses. For more information about Maizey and other U of M generative AI tools, visit genai.umich.edu or the ITS website.